Thank you for being here today. This is my fluid art channel, and I have a 16 by 20 inch canvas that we're going to work on today. It's going to be, I have colors already made up in bottles, so I'm going to do a swipe today. I'm going to start with a white pillow, which helps the paints move smoothly on the canvas. I'm going to cover the canvas completely with this. Just get some of these bubbles out. Okay. is how I do it with the cell activator. And you just gently glide it over the canvas, barely touching the canvas at all. Okay. And it's good to shake the cell activator in between every one, because just to make sure it's going to work really well. And then I'll start here. It's not perfectly straight, but a lot of it's going to go off the edge when I spin it, so we'll see how much of this lasts. Am I going to spin it or am I going to tilt it? I might try the tilting part first. See how I can get the sails to stretch out. I'm gonna try to get it to go this way too. I'm just gonna get a little bit off of this and then go to the other side. Now, the other way. Wow, that is so pretty. Oh my goodness, I think I'm gonna have to do some balloon smashes. Of course. I'm gonna make sure the sides are covered. So I am gonna spin it just a little bit, see if I can get the sides to get covered a little bit more. Otherwise, I don't want to spin it much, but just a little. getting there. I don't want to get wonky sails. I'm not going to spin it anymore. Oh wow, that is so gorgeous. My goodness. I get excited when they turn out really pretty. Take a look at it. I'm gonna do, gosh, I think I am gonna do a few little, just a few little balloon smashes. Flowers that I think there was a notification that came on my phone and it must have made my phone turn off and it just didn't do the balloon smashes. It got the rest of the video, but not the balloon smashes. Okay, there's one right there. And then one over here. Only had a few balloon smashes, not too many at all. Just a few. So many pretty sails, I didn't want to lose them. Cover them up with the little balloon flowers.